Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy crypto on the Safepal wallet app. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of purchasing cryptocurrency in a simple and secure manner. First, you need to download and install the Safepal wallet app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing the required information and setting up a password. It is essential to use a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. After creating your account, you will need to set up a wallet by generating a recovery phrase. This phrase is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to your account. Make sure to store the recovery phrase in a safe and secure location. To buy crypto on the Safepal wallet app, navigate to the home screen and click on the Buy button. You will be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency and click Next. You will then be asked to select a payment method. Safepal wallet app supports various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Choose your preferred payment method and enter the required information. Once you have selected your payment method, you will need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraud and ensure compliance with regulations. You will be asked to provide identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. After verifying your identity, you will be able to complete the purchase. The cryptocurrency will be deposited into your Safepal wallet app, and you can view your balance on the home screen. It is essential to note that buying cryptocurrency involves risks, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, make sure to keep your account and wallet secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, buying crypto on the Safepal wallet app is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following this guide, you can purchase cryptocurrency in a secure and convenient manner. Remember to always prioritize security and only invest what you can afford to lose.